when you go to get any medicine. So if doctor will tell you what are the side effects, follow that medicine, otherwise you can stop that. Okay, so in the same way, I am going to share with you the 90 days plan. If you will follow it, you have to take your own responsibility. No one to say you that go and do this and do that. So if you are ready to take your self responsibility, then definitely you are going to get results. We are talking about spoken English. Anytime when you learn any language, like when you learn your native language, we learn it with our senses. Learn first, we watch, two senses. We use our two senses, like watching and listening, because at that time we can't write anything or we can't read anything. So first important habit is to watch something. So what will you do? First, you will make some habits about watching. Suppose you are watching a lot daily vlogs in Hindi, so you can watch it in English for 10 minutes. Every day you have to switch to watch for 10 minutes. When you watch something, in the beginning you will not feel very familiar. You feel that why I am doing this. But this is the process of your mind. So just do it straightforward. Don't think that what you are getting or not getting. So start watching for 15 minutes any news channel or any daily vlogs where you can understand that English. Or when you start to watch something and then you start to listen, so there is an interconnection. Like when you observe any nursery KG student, we provide them the kind of books like A for apple. You When you see A for apple, so apple's picture is this, like big, so much big, but the letter is this. So our mind start to create the connection that A for apple means this is A and this is apple. Okay, so when you start to watch, you start to connect with that language. In the beginning, you are not going to get any result, but after 15 days or after 1 month, you will get that you can understand it. Okay, so second habit you will make about listening habit. So if you are a totally beginner, if you want to begin your journey, so in the beginning what you can listen, so try to listen those podcast or those stories which are a little bit easy to understand, and in the slow speed is a little bit slow, so you can understand it easily. So you start to listen that, and I suggest you that mostly you start to listen stories, and you will get an option on the any video. You can slow the speed of any video. So audiobooks are also there, but if you are a beginner, I just suggest you that don't make any mess. Just try to go slowly. Just try to what you can understand. You know. So third habit is that reading habit. Now you can understand this language because now you know it as a subject, so you can read. You should read storybooks. Suppose if you have small children in your home, so you can start with their moral stories books also. Those are also very good books. And these story books, like whatever we know, these Vikram Betala, I have this all these books, Mahabharata stories. So in the beginning, you can read these kind of books also, because when you learn any language, it's a subconscious process. So when you start reading these kind of books, so already in your mother tongue you know these books, so it's easy for you to understand whatever which kind of sentences are there. So you start to relate, you start to understand easily. So in the beginning you make habit of reading at least for 15 minutes, and slow reading and loud reading is good for you in the beginning. Fourth habit, you have to make writing habits. Writing habit is also very important. Make correct sentences, because when you go to speak, at that time you can't speak correct sentences, but when you start writing, you start to frame more correct sentences, because there you are only focusing on the writing. Your mind start to create write sentences every day. When you write something about, suppose you are writing about your daily schedule, you know or you are writing three or four word meaning, every day start writing at least five word meanings, English to English, not in Hindi. So when you write in English, it will increase your word power also, and it will increase your it will improve your sentence formation also. So make habit of writing every day. You can write at least for, I can tell you that 15 minutes or 20 minutes in the beginning. Don't do anything for a long time. The fifth habit is that speaking habit. Maybe many times you get this advice that you should speak for 15 minutes. You start speaking for 15 minutes, but this is the impossible thing. I am telling you, because in the beginning, maybe you know a lot of things. I knew a lot of things, every grammar rules, but it's not possible because your mind is not habitual for that. So I will suggest you that start speaking for 2 minutes, but for three times. Like if you are speaking 2 minutes in the morning, so try to speak 2 minutes in the afternoon, and the same thing, try to speak in the evening for 2 minutes. One week, if you are speaking for 2 minutes, next week you have to try to speak for 5 minutes, and you will get that how many times you are repeating, you are feeling more comfortable. As compare, if you are speaking for one time, you will feel rigid, but the same topic, if you are repeating for three times, you will get more words, you will get more sentences to explain that. I hope you will try all these. You will make your own routine, you will make your own habit. So suppose if you are making 1 hour in morning or 1 hour in evening, so for 15 minutes first you are going to watch something, you know then you are going to listen something. Third thing is you are going to read something, and fourth thing is you are going, I will give you 7 common topics which you can practice in your day to day life. So what are those topics? That very common topics are there. So first thing is that you can practice your daily routine every day, and you can separate it in chunks. Like you can describe your morning routine, what you are doing, and your evening routine, every day. You can try this. Second topic is your self introduction. Every day you can repeat it, your self introduction also. Third thing is that describe your favorite place. Which is your favorite place? You can discuss about that. Fourth thing is that every corner of your house in which you are living, every corner of your house, in drawing room, which kind of objects are there, you can explain that. Okay. Fourth thing is that your house, every corner of your house, you can explain. Fifth thing is recipes or your hobbies. You can talk about that. So what are your hobbies? If you like reading, why you are like reading, all these things you can explain it in front of camera. Yeah, storytelling. Suppose you are reading any story books, so whatever story you are reading, you just explain it in front of mirror or in front of your camera. In this way, like what is your exercise routine, every day you just divide it in chunks and start to explain in front of camera. You will observe that after 15 days or after 30 days you are getting some improvement. But whatever I said in the beginning, that your self responsibility is huge. You will get result, but it will take some extra time. It's like homeopathic medicine. It's not allopath that immediately you will get result. But results are 100% sure. Third thing is that you are not going to judge yourself in this journey. Sometimes you will do good, sometimes you will not getting any result, but that is not your own mistake. That is your mind's function. So when you go with this mindset, when you are clear that this is the right way and you will get result, definitely you will try. And I hope you will try all these advices, whatever I'm giving, because I have tried everything, and I'm 100% sure that only this method is going to help you, no matter how many rules you are knowing. And if I will tell you your mistakes, you are not going to improve, you know because we have that auto correction system. It's a skill. Language learning, it is a skill. So go with that mindset and try all these habits. Make your own routine and try it, stick with it at least for 3 months, and then you will get result. I hope you are getting my videos helpful, and if you are getting it helpful, so please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Definitely share with those people who are trying to learn, but they are not getting the right method. And if you are getting this video, so please share with those people who are really frustrated in their journey, you know because I can understand that it's very painful when you feel hopeless, when you feel helpless. That is very painful thing. So please give your support, and still till the end, if you are watching, I'm so grateful to you, and show your love and support, and I'm so grateful to you. Thank you so much.